Here, daylight breathes through pale oak and soft sage, creating a timeless sense of ease. As the light softens, the space deepens. Enveloped by rich charcoal and lush greenery, every corner becomes an intimate embrace. It is where tranquility meets the profound beauty of shadow. The golden hour bathes this space in warm, diffused light. Travertine grounds the tropical elegance, inviting a serene moment amid lush emerald life. Moving inward, find tranquility. Where oiled walnut meets slate gray, negative space breathes quiet sophistication. From the soft embrace of Mediterranean stucco and late afternoon sun to the refined geometry of twilight, here light defines space. Warm limestone yields to cool concrete. It is a passage into timeless tranquility, where every material whispers quiet elegance. Here, warmth meets balance. Cedar and ochre invite a peaceful resort life, guided by soft light. It transitions into refined symmetry, where cool stone and muted navy create an elegant stillness. Every line whispers timeless comfort. As twilight deepens, a warm amber glow embraces the space, defining moments of quiet gathering. Then, with dawn's arrival, the structure breathes anew. Light floods through, illuminating soft taupes and pale woods, a timeless harmony between shadow and sun.